Welcome to episode 3 of building your own YouTube channel. So if you don't know, I started a separate YouTube channel, separate from this channel, and it's totally completely different. It is a product and services review channel, and it's called Jules Galaxy of Reviews, and I started it September of 2025. So it hasn't been a full year yet, and we are on episode 3 as I am documenting the whole journey of how it's going, how it's growing, if it's making any money, what's working, what's not working, and just basically documenting the whole process. So here we are, episode 3. I want to state that as I'm filming this video, it is May 2026. I will say that the subscriber growth on the channel, on this particular channel, is slow. I'm still only at 82 subscribers. And currently, I believe I am at 800 watch hours. Now, I am gunning for the YouTube monetization where I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The pace that my channel is going at right now for watch hours is fine. I'm totally cool with that. The subscriber growth is a little bit slow. Having said that, I wanted to share with you, I printed out some stats here, some stats of what the channel is already making in terms of money. So yes, even though it only has 82 subscribers, this channel is already earning income. So that I am happy with. All right, so check this out. First, we've got here 2 sales from Manta. Manta is the sleep masks that I did. Now, I originally had my own Manta sleep mask, and originally my first video was not sharing the sleep mask in a good light. I had criticized the mask in its features and what I thought could be made better. Now, funny thing with that video, Manta reached out to me. They saw the video and they actually said, we want to send you the upgraded version of the mask that you were criticizing for free. And I was completely shocked because, obviously a company wouldn't like it when you are not saying great things about their product. But they were awesome. They sent me a bunch of new masks to try out, including the upgraded version. And I did 2 more honest review videos showing the new version of the mask and the old version of the mask and what they actually did fix. And they were actually true to their word in that they did fix the issues from the old mask. So I thought that was cool that even Manta Sleep Mask reached out to me. And because I had a positive experience with them, I asked them to be part of their affiliate program because after trying out the upgraded new versions of everything and trying it out myself, like sleeping with eye masks, I would recommend them. And so I asked to be part of their affiliate program. And the crazy thing is that affiliate program, you have to be personally invited by Manta Sleep Mask Company. And because I already had this connection and dialogue with them, they said, no problem, yes, you can be part of the Manta Sleep Mask affiliate company. Usually when you have to ask the company to be part of the affiliate program, it's like hit or miss. You never know if they're going to approve you or not approve you. So anyways, I got hooked up with an affiliate manager, got my affiliate links, and have made 2 sales of the Manta Sleep Mask, which is pretty awesome. And these are high-end sleep masks, so the commission is relatively high for a product like this. It's usually it's between $25 to $30, which is awesome per sleep mask. And the videos don't have very many views. Next, this one's awesome. So I did a video on Fresh Prep. So Fresh Prep is one of those food delivery companies where they deliver you like groceries and recipes to make certain dishes. You can get pre-made foods, you can get some groceries. It's basically to save on waste because when you go grocery shopping and you buy a recipe, there's always extra of this or not enough that, and just like a lot of waste. Plus it's super convenient. I live in Vancouver and it's like crazy trying to get to the grocery store. Forget about going to Costco. I absolutely refuse to go to Costco here. Anyways, I did only 1 video sharing that. And it was basically my whole experience of me placing an order on Fresh Prep. And I've gotten so far $165 worth of free Fresh Prep, which is awesome. I will take free groceries all day long. So very pleased with that one, considering it's only 1 video. It's actually making me think I should create like a part 2 or some other aspect of it so that I can get more free credits for Fresh Prep. Oh, and this one's so far my favorite toy, the Zip String Luma. So originally I bought this toy at a very fancy toy store in New York. Anyways, I bought it for my nephew, and I knew that this was going to be a hit. Like in my gut, I knew that this video was going to do well. It's such a cool, unique science toy. I've made in commissions from Amazon well over what it actually costs. And the screenshot that you see here, that's of the last 30 days. So I actually posted this video in December. And so I'm super excited for the next time December comes around because it was a really cool toy. Next up, we have this seat cushion here. So I've done about, $94 with the seat cushion in the last 30 days. And again, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. I'm literally doing a review on this seat cushion that I bought a couple years ago. I'm saying what I actually like about it, why I bought it, why I kept it, and I'm just being very raw, real, and honest. And again, boom, affiliate commission's $94. And the last example here is the Nalaxy Bluetooth transmitter. So at the time of filming that video, I had an older vehicle where you needed this kind of a device to have Bluetooth, and I wanted to listen to audiobooks and Spotify. And so you basically plug this in, and then it allows it to transmit through the radio, and so that you could have Bluetooth in your car, even though it's an older car. $21 commission on that in the last 30 days. And again, this isn't everything. I'm just picking and choosing from different products to show you the range, in that some products are super simple, and it's honestly stuff that I already enjoy. So far I'm pretty pleased with the outcome of the channel in terms of affiliate sales and income. I am still wanting to grow the subscribers. I obviously really want the Google ad revenue, because I know once I get that unlocked, that with all the different range and array of products that I have and that I'm going to continue doing, that Google ad revenue, I predict, is going to be really good. So that is it for episode 3. If you haven't checked out the Jules Galaxy of Reviews channel, I highly recommend checking it out. Give it a subscribe if you're into it. I am doing very raw, real, and honest product and service reviews. Make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be documenting this whole journey, and stay tuned for episode 4. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.